Well, it's a very hot and murky day in Playa Blanca. We're in the middle of a full-on Kalima now. We've had temperatures in the mid-30s. It's fairly early in the morning, but the plan today is to go snorkeling. So I'm going to share some information with you about the kit you need to enjoy snorkeling on the island. And then we're going to head down to Playa Dorada and have a look at what we can see when we're snorkeling here in Lanzarote. So as I said, let's talk about kit. By the way, you can see the Kalima drops on the car, making it look filthy, despite the fact that it was clean before the Kalima arrived. Now, with the kit, the temptation is to go and buy some cheap stuff from one of the kind of beachy type boutiques. I would suggest you go to a dive shop to buy your kit. You'll have a much better experience. Because there is nothing worse than having a leaking mask or fins that fall off. I've got dive kit here. This is a good quality dive mask. With a decent quality snorkel attached to it, made by Cressy. These are diving fins made by Mares. They fit well, they stay on well. And they're nice and long, which means you can have a sort of lazy stroke, which is ideally what you want when you're spending an hour or two snorkeling. I'd also recommend one of these see-through bags, so you can just pack those away and they'll dry out naturally. Always wash your fins and mask with fresh water after you've been diving in the sea. And this is quite a useful thing. This is a key lock. So you can put your car key inside the box there and just attach it to a towing hook on the car or something like that. I'm going to head to the left-hand wall here as you face the beach from the land side, because you tend to get more fish in around the rocks. Well, there you go, I'm back now where I started. There was one thing I forgot to mention and I forgot to bring, and that is a big bottle of water, one of those sort of 5-litre containers of water, just to wash the sand off your feet. Which unfortunately I forgot, as I said, so I'll have to hoover the car out in a minute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a lovely way to start the morning on what is going to be a very hot day down here in Playa Blanca. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep watching, catch up with you soon. Bye for now.